Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome to my channel. Today I am getting ready to go back to school. It's January 16th, I think. I don't know. Basically, school's been out for a hot minute and I start classes on January 21st at UT. That's why I'm wearing my UT t-shirt. Basically though, today I'm going up to my dorm room. I don't have to be back quite yet. I'm doing my makeup while we're talking because I need to multitask. I'm going slow today and I shouldn't be vlogging, but I want to be vlogging, but yeah. Anyways, oh, first, if you're new here, be sure to head on down below and subscribe. I'm gonna start filming again, like for real. Had a little crisis, little personal meltdown for a little while, but I feel like I am better now to be on the internet. Anyways, that was a long detour. I'm putting on the Professional Benefit Poreless Primer, and yeah, I go back to school next week on Tuesday right after Martin Luther King Day, and I have to be back on Sunday because I work a shift, like not a long one, but I still have to be back to work that shift. But so today is Friday and it's the day that my dorm opens up. And what I really wanted to do, y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but I want to go up today and rearrange my room. I want to go and take up a bunch of stuff that I need. Like I'm gonna go take most of my stuff up today, like probably majority of my closet, like some books, things I just don't need here that I'll just have now, so I don't have to take it up Sunday morning when I go. If you haven't watched my room tour, like my dorm room tour from this year, you should go watch it. You should watch the one from the year before too if you're interested. But I basically made my room blue this year because I was going through this like weird phase of like everything's changing, I'm changing, and so I changed my room. And what I realized is, quite honestly, I'm not a blue girl, not a turquoise girl. So we're going up and we're gonna go change out my bedding because I still have my bedding from last year. I got it at Walmart. It was really a steal. So I'm going to go and change the bedding. And I feel like changing the bedding, something fresh for the new year, might just be like the change of pace I need in that room. Or we're gonna move the furniture around. Yeah, basically today I'm taking you along for this crazy journey of me like speed packing and redecorating. I hope you'll enjoy it. So now we're going to go grab / pack a few things and then we're just gonna get on with our day. So now what I'm just doing is I'm gonna grab my bag. I'm gonna grab like a jacket because it's kind of chilly out today. It's like in the 50s, but I think I'm gonna just go. All I ever do is wear my puffy jacket anymore, and I feel like these are probably on the out because everyone and their mother has one now, but I really like them. So I'm grabbing this tripod, batteries, and I think we're gonna head out. This is what I'm bringing up today. I decided not to bring any clothes. I'll do that when I go up on Sunday. I'll just throw all my clothes in. But yeah, we are good to go now. I'm here. I'm in my room. Everything is a mess. What I forgot is there's a few things from before Christmas that we used to decorate that belonged to other people that they just kind of left out because we were using it, and I need to return it to them, but they're not here. So I have all this stuff in my room and I have all the stuff I brought. So first thing I'm gonna do is take all those blues and yellows that you see and take those all off. And then I went and grabbed in storage, I grabbed my pink comforter, and so now it is time for me to swap this out. Honestly, I really just want to take my shoes off, but I'm going to get the bed together and go from there. I'm gonna be taking off this headboard. I don't really know what I'm doing after that, and then we're gonna get rid of this. I mean, not really get rid of it, but we're gonna put this one away. I'll probably take it home and we can use it there somehow. But yeah, the white's gotta go. It's pretty, it's been nice, but I'm tired of having a white comforter. So for now, I'm just gonna put it away for when I wanna use it again. Hey guys, we're at my dorm and I took apart, as you probably saw, I took apart my bed. I don't know, my mom went to go move a thing for me and I just like decided to take it all apart. But we have decided part of the plan of coming here was to redo the whole bed and move all the furniture around. So what we're thinking about doing now is we just did some measuring and we're talking about moving this bed so it's along the wall. This is a hot mess, so like ignore this, but we'll work that out. But we're gonna like move some stuff around and you'll get to see it when it's done. We just moved the desk over here. It's a mess. Now we're moving. Now I gotta move everything out from under my bed. After moving everything a bunch of times, I just kind of decided that I do want my bed to be a focal point, so we're putting my bed here. I'm gonna redo the shelves, I'm gonna redo the bed. Putting my desk over there in the corner where my mom's putting it. The chair's gonna be over here by the closet, and I'm just, that's the way it's gonna be. Oh, that's interesting. I think I like that. Do you? So what we're doing, and this is like not like great space advice thing, but we're putting it at an angle, and I like how it looks better that way. Got the bed here. Not sure if that's exactly how I'm gonna set it up, but it's a start. And then we've got the desk here. But yeah. Okay, we've been running around and we just decided, I think this headboard, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there after today or not, but I think it's pretty. And so right now I'm kind of messy, but I will show y'all the next time I'm back. I will show you everything when it's all clean and put together. Today it is January 19th? Yeah, today is January 19th and I just got back to college. I need to make my bed because I brought fresh linens. It's a hot mess right now. Y'all, look at my hat. Not related, but I just think y'all need to see this. So, I thought... Oh, this is just so funny, y'all. If this isn't in every video from here on out, I don't know. The room looks like a different room now. Different colors, different layout, so yeah. So while I was home, I washed my favorite set of sheets because I think they're the prettiest. They've just got like these flowers on them. So what I'm gonna do now is just take off all the pillows. I just threw the comforter on for the time being just to make it look like less messy. So I did some stuff on my desk, still kind of messy. Need to like clean stuff up. Might hang this TBD, but there's my desk, got my bed. I gotta move some things around. What I'm about to tackle now is these shelves. They are a hot mess. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at something I did in the past and recreate that. We've got over here. If you'll notice, you can finally sit in my chair again. Yes, need to straighten these books up. But yeah, I've just been like, putting stuff away all day. But the exciting thing is, things are coming together. Also, I can now, oh my gosh, I didn't think about this. I never could see stuff in my mirror before because my bed came up to like right here, so I'd have to see really close. But now, if I want to do outfits of the day, not that today's outfit is anything exciting, but if I ever want to do stuff like this, I can, which is, okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm referencing my YouTube video of my dorm room from freshman year because I thought my shelves were like chef's kiss. Did I do that right? I thought my shelves were really good freshman year and I have yet to get that again, so I'm watching a video to copy it. Hey guys, it's been a minute or a few days. You just caught me after class. I'm looking a bit studious if you can't tell I'm wearing my jumper. So I wanted to show y'all what the room ended up looking like completed because, you know, honestly, since I've been here and really gotten everything unpacked and rearranged, I'm so happy with how my room is now. It feels like me, it feels safe, it feels like home, and I think that's what everyone's room should look like. I love my room and I'm really happy. I just edited most of this video and I thought y'all would want to see like a good, clean version. It's not perfect, but hey, that's what room tours are for. If you're interested in a room tour though, comment down below, I'll show you a little bit more in depth, but for now, here is my redecorated dorm room. So we've got the bed in the corner, the chair. My carpet was just vacuumed, so it's looking beautiful. I love, love, love sitting there. I will study there. Sometimes I'll just chill on my phone there. There's the shelves I redid. I think they look so nice now. I think that's what I was missing. And over here in the corner, I've still got my desk at an angle. I have my little poof over here, and I keep my heated blanket and some blankets there. There's my records. Up here, what I added was I added a calendar for the year because I actually really enjoy having a calendar, and I thought that this one was so cute, so me. My desk is, I mean, it looks like a desk. It's got stuff on it I'm using. This is my bowl for popcorn I need to put away. It's one of those that you pop out. It's fun. And then my sink is clean. Wow, impressed, right? No. A little scrunchy.